So this is my makeup today for an Iftar party at my cousin's house. This makeup has no liquid foundation. Hi everyone, I'm getting ready for an Iftar party by my cousin Aisha Khan, and she told me that my makeup and my jewelry should be a little bling. So I'll see what I can do. I've used a lip plumper on myself already. You can use a lip balm as well. And right now I'm going to first moisturize my face because I will still stick to powder foundation. I'm going to get you guys used to it to understand the fun of it, that you don't always have to layer with a liquid foundation. This is the L'Oreal Revitalift cream. If you remember, I had done a collab with this product. It's a very good product for moisturizing in general. So follow my tips. I repeat my products. I make makeup easy for most people. So now my face is nicely moisturized. First, I'm going to use a concealer wherever required. Now, if you have very clear skin, don't use it. If you want to highlight your skin with a concealer, go for one shade lighter than your skin tone if you have basically got clear skin. For under eyes, darker under eyes, go to a store, find out your products or find out your shades. So first go to a store, see what suits you, and then start ordering online because you will know your shade. And if you have some specific marks, do spot concealing. So I'm going to now use my concealer. These are the sun-kissed parts of the face. It conceals as well as highlights. So this is the first brush I found in front of me. It could be a concealer brush, it could be a foundation brush. Use what works for you. Now, because I've moisturized, and remember, I have dry skin, everything is gliding on well. This is an evening makeup, so my skin routine is done in the morning with sunscreen. I don't need to use sunscreen right now. But if you want a skin routine for dry skin, you can go into my video section if you're on FB and find my skin routine for dry skin, or you can go to YouTube and just type Sreenanda Shankar skin routine, but mind you, it's meant for dry skin. Now I'm going to straight go in with my powder foundation. This is the MAC Studio Fix powder foundation. The liquid foundations, the concealers, the dry foundations, which is the MAC Studio Fix Compact. All these formulas have a different shade, in the sense, if I'm using an NC40 here, the liquid foundation, you might need a different shade. So always first go to the store and figure out your shade and then order online so you don't waste the money. But this is a good investment because they have a range of shades, and then it also lasts very long. So I'm going to now use my powder foundation. This is the PAC 261 brush. Use it wherever required. As long as the skin looks evened out, it's fine. Just use a setting spray, it will last. And the option is to carry it with you also. And don't use the sponge which comes with it. Use a brush. I use a gel to set my eyebrows. I don't need to draw it because my eyebrows are already thick. Draw it if you need to, but use a gel so that they don't move around. So today, for a change, I will start with my lips. After I do my lips, I'm going to do the makeup around that. I always use a nude lip liner to fill out and line my lips. It makes my lipstick stay longer. This is Chestnut by MAC. One more thing, I use high-end products because I have major skin issues. Follow the technique and buy products of your choice. For example, if I say this is a MAC brown eyeshadow, abhi brown eyeshadow you'll get in every brand. So choose your brands, learn to shop yourself. Don't let me sell products to you. But if you want to use the same products as me, I'm going to caption them while I do the application. You'll get them in Nykaa, Tira Beauty or Sephora. And the reason I don't share a link is because the link expires in a month and I can't cope up with updating links when I have thousands of makeup videos. So if you caption exactly what I've written, put it in these apps that I told you, you'll get the products. This lipstick is MAC Media. MAC Media is one of the darkest colors out there, but we'll work on it. First, I'm going to use a layer of this. Then I'm going to take a tissue and kiss it. Okay? Then I will touch up the lip liner one more time. Now I'm using the lipstick Bachelorette by Huda Beauty. It's a Rani pink. Today I'm using the Huda Beauty remastered rose gold palette. You will see the colors inside it. You don't have to use the same palette. I am an obsessive collector. This is how the palette looks. So first we're going to use a brown like this. Take a soft brush. This is the PAC 204. I'll take this brown. Always tap off the extra product. Now I'm going to use it to contour my eyes till my crease line. If you have hooded eyes, go further up. Now I've used it till my crease line. If you have hooded eyes, go further up. And then whatever's left on your brush, bring it down. And whatever's left on your brush, bring it down to your lower outer lash line. Clear till here? Okay. Now, I'll take this shiny pink shade. Now you can take any shiny shade of your choice. I'm going to just take some on my finger. Yeah, that nail is broken. And this is how it looks. And just dab it on the center. Like this. That's it. Then don't forget to wipe your finger. Now with the same brush, touch up the crease line. Soften it, but don't bring it onto the shiny part. Now it's a Iftar party, so my Kajal needs to be strong. I'll take a black Kajal of your choice and first fill out my lower waterline. We're going to use a flat smudge brush like this. Now this smudge brush is from Calabar, discontinued, but see the shape, you'll find it in many brands. Now we are going to smudge it out. See the difference? This will also help your kajal from not bleeding or leaking because it soaks up the oil from the kajal. Get the correct brushes. You can go into my video section and find the brushes videos on FB, or best would be go to YouTube, type Sreenanda Shankar brushes, and the brushes video will pop up and you will have a buffet of brushes to choose from for every part of your face. Okay, so now we have blended the kajal. but we are going to smoke it out a little more, make it a little more smoky. Now this is the PAC 208 brush. Take any brown eyeshadow of any brand of your choice. Take a brown like this, tap off the extra and make it smoky. Now you go lower from your Kajal and make it more smoky. I've been doing these Kajal looks because everybody's been asking me for easy makeup looks. So I'm doing these. You will find all the makeup options you want for easy daily makeup on my YouTube channel, on the playlist called My Daily Makeup, or on Makeover Madness. It's about what suits you on Facebook. Now see, I know it's loud and you're missing something as an upper eyelining, but that's where the mascara is going to do the trick. Use a mascara of your choice. When you use the mascara, first do this regular application and then make sure you wiggle your wand so that the lashes are separated, and then put more on your tip. Little on the lower lash line, not much, just a little because my kajal is thick. Now see the difference between these two eyes. Hasn't the mascara lined my eye? So my eyes and lips are done. Now we'll just do a little mild contouring, blush and a little highlighter, and then we're good to go. I like a mild contour, so I use a powder contour for daily makeup. This is the Smashbox Cali palette. Use one of your own choice. I feel the lighter the layers, the more natural the look. So use some here, use some here, use some on your jawline. If you have a round face, then avoid this part. I'm going to do it really light. Then take the same brush, flatten it and put it on the two sides of your nose. I'm using this dark blush on by Huda. It doesn't look as dark as it is. Once you blend it out, it looks beautiful. Now let me blend this out. And the moisturizer that I used is going to help blending it out. Always use little product and take more if required. See, works. Take your powder foundation and touch it up wherever required. Take a highlight of your choice and a fan brush of your choice and just highlight. Some on the tip of my nose, some here. Okay, my makeup is done. I'll set it for sure with a spray. I think this earring should work. This I think I got from Zara, I'm not sure. I'm going to spray my makeup and set it with the Charlotte Tilbury airbrush setting spray. Use a setting spray of your choice. So this is my look for my iftar party. Please try and do easy makeup. Don't get carried away with layers and layers of makeup that you see online. I'm trying to break that stereotype that you have to use 10,563 products to look nice. No. Keep it easy, keep it simple, and there are no rules. If you see the mirror and you like yourself, you're right.